Increditales.
Look at those cookies, Robin. Are you hungry? Are you going to eat one? No, Robin. Don't eat all of them at once. Why did you do that? Now you'll get hiccups. Come on, Robin. Don't make a fuss out of it. See, Robin, it's only hiccups. Such a drama, Prince. Drinking some water will surely help you. Oops! Oh no! Now Snow White has hiccups too. Beast, you have to help Robin and Snow White. They have hiccups. What is Beast up to? A scare? Good idea. Aww, you look so cute, Beast. Oh no, another hiccup victim. Your friends are having a contagious hiccup, Alice. They need your help. A spider! Wait, that's not a real spider. That's a toy. It's real! It's real! You're so naughty, Alice. Hey, it worked. No more hiccups. Yay! The spider cured you! Not again! What a fun party you had, Bella and Aurora. Hi, Snow White. This room is a mess. What about you, girls? Aren't you going to clean the house just like Snow White? A robot? You're going to use it to clean? That seems like cheating. All clean and neat. Uh-oh. Make it stop! Quick, it's going to explode. Wow, Snow White, it's so shiny. What's wrong with the robots? Good idea. It just needed some greasing. Somebody stop it! Oh no! It's even messier than before. Hello, Snow White. Are you done with your chores? Great! Now you can finally relax. Where are Aurora and Belle? If you want a job well done, you have to do it yourself. Lunchtime, Coral. Are you hungry? Let's see if the waiter arrives to show you your table. Oh, hey, little guy. How cute! What will its name be? Oh, he's called Gloop Gloop. Here's Robin, the waiter. See you later, Gloop Gloop. Let's see what today's special is. Oh no! Today's special is Gloop Gloop. The coast is clear, Coral. Let's go rescue Gloop Gloop. Come on, hurry. heavy. Quick, quick! Robin's back! Look, the cart is unattended. The truth is that it would be a shame to throw away these delicious cupcakes. Now, let's get out of here. Great idea, Coral. This cart is perfect for transport. Oh no, Robin is blocking the way. Good reflexes. Quick, he's on our heels. I think we lost him. Be careful, Coral. Oh no, Gloop Gloop. Queen Aria is preparing her fruit ice creams. Aria, wait! Oops, too late. Hold on, Gloop Gloop. Almost there. Here is Robin with today's special. A tasty Gloop Gloop dish, but without Gloop Gloop. What a wonderful day to play in the snow. What are you up to? Do you want to build a snowman? Don't you want to play, Aria? It's so much fun. It's going to look amazing. There are some things that are still missing. Let's go find them. First, let's find the arms. Those two branches look all right, don't you think? Red, be careful not to fall! Wonderful! The branches suit your snowman just right. Now, let's find the next item. Brooms! But they are very well secured. It's move? That's a great snowman. There's something wrong with this broom. Guys, watch out! It's the magic broom that's making the snowman fly. We need to bring him down as soon as possible. Great! That will attract it. Come on, Robin. It's our only chance. We have to lock it. Well done, Robin. Now we should bring the broom back to where it belongs. Look! Here's the top hat we needed. It looks perfect now. Almost real. Movie night! It's going to be super fun, Rapunzel. Oh, you're watching a spooky movie. A spider! Rapunzel, you have to be brave. That's not what I had in mind, but... Let's go! Where is the spider? Uh-oh, I found it. That was close. There it is. Great idea. Let's catch that spider. Don't make any noise. Yes! Well done. Now, let's watch the film. Run, Rapunzel, run! Careful, Beast. There's a spider out there. It's here again! No, Beast, don't release it. Aren't you scared of the spider? No, wait! Don't spray it on the poor spider. Aw, look how cute it is. It just wants to watch the movie with you. What about the little spider? Yummy! Good night, Red Riding Hood. Good night, Snow White. Good night, Robin. Robin? Are you sure that's a good idea, Robin? I think you should get some sleep. Time to wake up! Good morning! Robin, bedtime is over. You spent playing all night? Hey, Robin, wanna play? Oh, oops! Why don't you try goalkeeping? Ouch! At least he saved the goal. What's wrong with Robin? He looks sick. Does something come to mind, Snow White? Let's go to the hospital. Come on, Robin. They're trying to cure you. Too harsh? He doesn't seem to have a fever. Let's try something else. An injection. That bed looks so comfy. Oh, that's right. It looks like he only needed some sleep. Let's let him rest. They're here! Welcome to Little Mermaid's slumber party! What did you bring, girls? Little Red Riding Hood brought candy. Sleeping Beauty brought her makeup case. This is going to be the best sleepover ever! High five, Sleeping Beauty! Sleeping Beauty? The girls are getting their makeup done. Wow, you look great, Red Hood! Isn't she beautiful, Sleeping Beauty? Look like she's busy. It's time to dance! Yay! Great move! Woohoo! Go, Red Hood! Looks like Sleeping Beauty loves it. What? So rude! She won't let the phone go. It's war! Cushion fight! Drop the phone already! That's a funny picture. Oh, you're having so much fun. But they miss you. Oh, girls. Cushion fight! Best slumber party ever! Looking for a snack, Alice? Oh, it's as empty as your tummy. What if you gave Snow White a hand with her pizza? You can prepare a delicious meal together. Girls, stop arguing. There's only one way to settle this. You'll each make a pizza. It will be a pizza competition. Ready, steady, go! Tomato, strawberry, it doesn't matter. What's important in a pizza? That the base is red. Cheese time! That slice of cheese is split. Wait, Snow White. Alice wants the broken pieces.
Meow.
What's the next step, Snow White? How delicious! Vegetables! Or whatever else you want. It looks perfect, Snow White. So creative, Alice. And now, girls, it's baking time! Both pizzas look yummy. They are saying, eat me. Alice, do you want to try Snow White's pizza? Delicious.
Oh.
Come on, Snow White. A little bite won't hurt. Do you like it? You see, Snow White? In the end, you loved Alice's creation. Welcome to the Increditales contest. Today, it looks like the cooks competing are Snow White and Cinderella. And here's our judge, Snow Queen. Let's see what today's challenge. Cupcakes! Contestants, on your mark, get set, go! Wow, great technique, Snow White. Good effort, Cinderella. Perfectly done. Well, let's see how it goes. Time keeps going. Yummy! Those cupcakes smell so good. I think the heat of the oven was too high, Cinderella. Hurry up, girls. There isn't much time left. Wow! Those cupcakes are so perfect. The time is almost up. Oh, Cinderella, you're gonna use a secret ingredient. I don't think that's fair. So nervous. A few seconds left. Time's up. Oops. When the clock strikes 12, the magic is over. And the winner is... Snow White! But how to share them if you are 3 and there are only 2 cupcakes? That should do it. Sleeping Beauty, you can barely keep your eyes open. I think it's time for bed, Aurora. Well thought, Aurora, in case you're thirsty at night. And beside your glary fairy, rest, Aurora. Having trouble sleeping, huh? A pea? You don't like to eat in bed either. Everything should be perfect by now. You have your glass of water, your pillow, your doll. Good night, Aurora. That sound? It's coming from the Little Mermaid's room. Wow! These are some moves you and Bloop Bloop have. Who could it be at this time, Coral? Come in. What's up, Aurora? Oops! It's a bit late to play music, sorry.
Oh.
Finally. Silence. This Little Mermaid again. Counting Gloop Gloop's jump help falling asleep, right, Coral? No noise, no songs, no counting. Much better. 3rd time's the charm. What's that? Oh, well, in that case...
Uh-huh.
Great rhythm!